Yeah. 100 some shots on my gun, pull up, take them down. Used to be broke, now I'm touching, see figure now. Shoot about the money, I don't fuck with no bank account. Lost in my pocket, pop out with a large amount. Ain't with the internet, be we can shoot it out. I got your bitch at the crib with a booty out.
YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy DQ back at y'all with another video. Hopefully y'all having a good day, night, whatever it is, where you at, you know what I'm saying? If y'all fuck with this video, don't forget to leave a like on the video, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. Speaking of subscribe, I noticed that it's a lot of y'all that watch my videos that's not subscribed to the channel yet. What you doing? Why you doing that, man? Hit that subscribe button. If you can watch the video, you can hit the subscribe button. That's how I look at it. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram if you ain't following me on Instagram already. Y'all can already tell by that title and the thumbnail what we doing today. I got another unboxing video for y'all from the same place that I unboxed the first stuff from, SHEIN. But this video is a little different, you know what I'm saying? If you haven't watched my last video of my unboxing, make sure you go watch that video. It's gonna be right here. Yeah. Go tap in on that one. Go tap in on that one, man, so y'all will see how I move around with the packages and opening stuff up, shit like that. But yeah, like I said, if y'all fuck with this video, make sure y'all leave a like on the video. And without further ado, we're about to get right into it. Now, for my returning viewers or subscribers, if you watched my first unboxing video, y'all know that I think I got like 2 unboxing videos up on my channel, but y'all know I always open the box when I get a package in. I always open the box. Like, anytime, I don't know how y'all do it, but anytime I order something, I'll be excited for it to come in. I ain't even gonna lie. I'll be excited, I'll be ready to get into it. So me, I'll go ahead and open the box up to make sure I got all my stuff in there and shit like that. But I haven't tried any of it on yet, so all I did was check to make sure all my items was in there. I didn't try none of it on. They still in the package now. I saved this video for y'all, though. We're gonna open it until I make sure y'all got to see it first. Like I was saying, for the people that watched my previous unboxing video, y'all know when it comes to clothes, I don't never like show y'all what the item is and try it on. I always go through the whole package first, open everything up, show y'all what the item is, and then I add another segment to the video of me trying everything on. So that way y'all don't get confused and be like, oh, did he try this on already? I do everything separate so y'all will be able to keep up with what I'm doing. So without further ado, man, let's go and get right into it. All right, first thing that come out the package is this, what they call them? Balaclava, however you say this shit. Y'all know how to say it. The balaclava ski mask, the ones with the fur on the outside. I ordered one of these from off SHEIN. I really don't even know why I ordered it. I'm trying to get into ski mask though, man. Winter time coming up. I got a couple fits that I could be able to throw. I'll be able to throw this on with, you know what I'm saying? But I don't really need to open this. Unless y'all just want to see what this look like. Just stay tuned. Go follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram, so if I take pictures in this, you'll be able to see like, oh, that's the ski mask he had on in the you know what I'm saying, the SHEIN unboxing. And speaking of that, make sure y'all turn y'all post notifications on so y'all don't miss a video from me, you know what I'm saying? Cause I've been dropping lately, and y'all probably seeing this and you like, dang, he just dropped 2 videos these last, you know what I'm saying, 2 weeks. I ain't even seen it yet. Cause you ain't got your post notifications turned on. Turn the post notice on, man, so you know when I drop. Real shit. I ain't gonna open this up right now. I'm just gonna throw this to the side. But for this first joint, I don't remember which one this is. Y'all already know how I do with the papers, you know what I'm saying? I just throw these motherfuckers on the ground like that there. We just throw them on the ground. We're gonna pick it up later. This too. We're gonna pick it up later. Now look, normally when I order like shirts and graphic tees or I buy graphic tees, I get them in the medium. But I've been noticing lately, I've been getting big, not like fat, but I'm getting bigger. So I used to get my shirts in the medium. So after I wash them and dry them one time, they'll be too small and I don't be able to fit them no more. So now I'm gonna start getting my shirts in the large. So after I wash them and dry them, it'll still fit me. Feel what I'm saying? But yeah, first graphic tee right here, man. This motherfucker hard. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tell me this ain't hard. I feel like I'm finna start getting into the oversized shit now. Like, I don't really like my clothes to fit snug no more. Like this shit, like cool, but like graphic tees, you know what I'm saying? Stack pants. I'm about to start getting into, I'm about to expand my fashion repertoire. if you feel what I'm saying. But first grab a tee, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see what's going on with that there. Red jump with the red, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Red on red, goddamn me. Ain't nothing crazy. Don't forget, I'm gonna try all these shirts on after I open all of them up. But I got y'all, man. Just, you know what I'm saying? Stay with me. Stay with me. Next, the material on this shirt was nice too, by the way. This got the same material. I got this in the medium because they ran big, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? Got this to go good with it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna tell y'all. If you paying attention, you will know what I'm talking about. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy here. Ain't nothing crazy here. Another graphic tee with the pink and black on the front. I like the skulls on the front because y'all know. If you don't know, Big Scar my favorite rapper. So anytime I see a skull, I think of Frozen on real shit. So I had to get this. You know what I'm saying? Something different. Something different. Next, it's a blue graphic tee. It's a blue graphic tee, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we're throwing that plastic on the ground, we're gonna pick that up later on, feel what I'm saying? But yeah, blue graphic tee, you know what I'm saying? Got the blue butterfly on the front, and then got the couple of butterflies on the back, feel what I'm saying? What's this say on the back? In the future. In the future, you know what I'm saying? Yes sir, yes sir. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these shirts, man. Y'all think I can come trim in this shit? Or y'all think this is just some bullshit? Let me know. My first SHEIN unboxing video, hey SHEIN boy, I ain't trying to give y'all no free promo. Y'all ain't getting free promo in this video either, but hey, y'all ain't disappointed me yet. I ain't even gonna cap. I don't need to be shopping on there like that for real. But the shit I did order off there though, I can come trimming that shit. Real shit. But next shirt, you know what I'm saying? Another white graphic tee with the blue on the front. Feel what I'm saying? This bitch hard. Y'all can't tell me this bitch ain't hard. This bitch hard. On me, this bitch hard. What it say on the front? Audience? I don't know. Y'all let me know what it say. I can't really read it right now, but you know what I'm saying? Another little graphic tee. I don't really know what that is. I guess it's like a robot or some shit, but it be hard too, on me. Next. See what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on, gang. Okay. What it say? Your dream. Know what I'm saying? This be hard. I ain't never had no yellow, like I always had graphic tees, but I ain't never got this color. This like different for me for real, cause I never wear yellow for real like that. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? It be hard. I fuck with this one too, feel what I'm saying? Yes sir, yes sir. Like I said, man, y'all let me know down below if these is heat or if they garbage. Let me know. Cause if y'all think it's garbage, I'll fuck around and get these motherfuckers to one of y'all that's watching this video. I'll never wear shit. Type shit. Real shit though. Next. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got here. Oh, this that This that tan motherfucker right here. You know what I'm saying? That khaki motherfucker. I ain't never had no shirt this color. I think I got one shirt this color. You know what I'm saying? But it got the green shit on the front. Feel what I'm saying? Green race car. What it say? Cosmic speed. I need to go get me some more fitted hats, man, so I can pop out with these motherfuckers on some real shit. And that's the thing about me. When it comes to clothes, I don't care about me showing it to y'all. Don't think I ain't gonna wear this shit. Cause 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna wear all these shirts. Now I'm not just gonna wear them just cause I got them, but like, if I wanna get on some cool shit, chill shit, and I feel like throwing some shit on, you know what I'm saying? Some slight shit. Throw them motherfuckers on, they ain't buying for nothing. Feel what I'm saying? Now, of course, I bought them so I could get some content for y'all, but I also bought them for my own enjoyment. Cause I wanted them for myself. Real shit. But on to the next, you know what I'm saying? Another red graphic tee. I had to get this motherfucker because it got something on the front and the back. I love graphic tees that got shit on the front and the back. It say action on both sides. You know what I'm saying? It say action on both sides. Why? Because DQ about action. Especially for y'all. When it comes to this content, I'm about action. When y'all hit that subscribe button, y'all about action. When you turn the post notifications on, you about action. When you like the video, you about action. You can be about action. All you gotta do is do one of them 3 things. Or you can do all 3 of them and be really about action and be like, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey boy, that boy about action, boy. Like, don't play with that man like that, for real. Real shit. You know what I'm saying? But moving on to the next, you know what I'm saying? Enough of me ranting. Holding y'all up in the video and shit, my fault, bro. Holding y'all up in the video and shit. I know y'all like, nigga, open this shit up, nigga. Talking too much, nigga. I like to get right to the point anyways. Next graphic tee, you know what I'm saying? The bitch say UFO on the front. What it say on the back? Cosmic Space. I had to get this one, you know what I'm saying? Cause it got shit on the front and the back. Like I just told y'all, like the shit they had the front. This shit on the front and the back, feel me? Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one, you know what I'm saying? I'm fucking with this one too, for real. I'm really fucking with all these motherfuckers, no cap. Really fucking with all of them. Real shit. Got another one. Got another one. Got another one, you know what I'm saying? We really about to be able to come trend. Right now we wanted to, but I ain't gonna do it right now. You know what I'm saying? This something different, feel what I'm saying? I ain't never had no shirt like this. Got the print all over it, say, what it say on the front? Pleasant, it say pleasant on the back and on the front. Feel what I'm saying? This be hard, you know what I'm saying? I can throw shit together with this. I ain't even gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna wear with it though. Y'all just gonna have to see. Go follow me on the ground, go follow my Instagram, cause any pictures I take, if I feel like it was trim, it's going on the ground. It gotta go on the ground. Gotta go on the ground. I think that's all the graphic tees though, man. Yeah, that's all the graphic tees, you know what I'm saying? I got like 2 hoodies in this motherfucker, then that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go try this shit on for y'all, real shit. You know what I'm saying? Got a little graphic tee. Wintertime coming up, I had to throw me a couple hoodies in the car. Wintertime is coming up. But it'd be hard. Y'all tell me this ain't hard, bro. Your world, it could be your world. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is go out there and move around, type shit. It say your world on the front, your world on the back. You know what I'm saying? See the skeleton? Hey, skeletons and skulls, I'm rocking with them right now, you know what I'm saying? RP Big Scar, real shit. That's one of the graphic hoodies though. And this the last. Yup. This the last package. Hey, this the last package. It's the last one. It's the last one. Send me out with a bang, SHEIN. Send your boy out with a bang. Real shit. Know what I'm saying? Had to get that blue motherfucker. For y'all that don't know, blue is my favorite color. Ooh! That was a bar y'all ain't even catch it. That bitch flew right over y'all head. Y'all heard what I said? I just gave y'all another bar. Let me stop, man. I'm about to turn into an artist in this hole. But blue graphic hoodie, you know what I'm saying? Got the blue smiley face on the front. Ain't shit sweet though. Know what I'm saying? What it say on the back? Do more of what makes your soul happy. I'm doing something right now that's making my soul. Y'all just don't know how happy I'll be to be able to stand in front of this camera and talk to y'all, man. It really makes my day, you know what I'm saying? I can go a whole day without eating, but if I do this right here, man, look, man. Man, look, man, I really rock with y'all. Anybody that's rocking with me right now, you watching this video, I rock with you, boy. I fuck with you, heavy, for real. Really fuck with you, on some real shit. You know what I'm saying? This the back of it though, type shit. Blue graphic hoodie, ain't nothing crazy to see here. You know what I'm saying? That's everything that was up in the package. Now comes the fun part. Finna try everything on for y'all. Yeah, we finna see if we can really come.
like we winning every year Super Bowl. From broke to an M, it was epic. Next year my investments was ethical. They off perks, been and walk like it's medical. Said he put up with runs, it was Reginald. This withdraw from the bank, it was regional. I might rap on my whips for the seasonal. In my safety, they see it's an igloo. I mean igloo, I took her to Noble. Hit your hood and ain't nobody know you. I'm a mogul, I will not approach you. My backyard got jet skis in Atlanta. How you do it? I'm rich and they knew it. How you pour it? It's 6 in this fountain. Lady dancer, we fuck at the manor. With no manners, she wanna be slutted. In my eyes, she told me I'm handsome. Beat that shit from the back, paid the ransom. Walk around with the cannon like Samson. I can't speak on that here, call the Samsung. Who did what? Now nobody singing. Who want what? Pop out with a gun gun. I pop out every time.
Like this year, I'm really doing what the fuck I want to do. 2017 wave roll shit. Dexter, ooh, AP. I dropped the racks in the book. Looking at me, so I took. I'm at LA smoking cook. Home and they right on my ass. Almost broke, now they laugh. 30 on them, give them pass. Almost so broke, I think give me a bag. AP, look at my diamonds, they dance. I had to run to the bands. Up in New York, yeah, I'm cooler with Graham. I see the shot at your man. 50 shot, yeah, the ram. Wait, I draw my pants. I be so happy like I don't do the Zans. When it's on like a sleeve, I got your bitch on her knees. AP, 80 G's. Don't want the roadie, my ass, so I believe. Bitch, I be flexing like Hercules. Yeah, and you do that. Pillow top on the jet. What? I got a little pussy wet. Yeah. AP. I dropped the racks in the book. Looking at me, so I took. I'm in LA smoking cook. Home and they right on my ass. Almost broke, now they laugh. 30 on them, give them pass. Almost so broke, I did give me a bag.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. SHEIN has yet to disappoint me. I feel like that unboxing / haul was more fire than the first video I did. Real shit, like everything that I just tried on fit me exactly how I wanted it to fit. So SHEIN, like I ain't giving y'all no free promo, but spam W SHEIN in the chat, man. W SHEIN. Real shit, W SHEIN. But that's it for the video, man. If y'all fuck with that video, if y'all fuck with the other unboxing video I did with the clothes in the first one, y'all let me know, because I'm telling y'all, I feel like fashion is like a hobby for me, bro. Like, I really be feeling that shit. Like, I just love clothes for some reason. Like, half of the shit like I said, I'm gonna try to wear all this shit, but if I don't wear it, I'm still gonna keep it just because I like having clothes. Like, I'm getting more and more into fashion by the day, you feel what I'm saying? And if I keep unboxing shit like that, hey, y'all won't see me in no regular white tees in my future videos no more, you know what I'm saying? I might start coming trim just because. Even if I'm at the crib chilling, I just might start coming trim just because I can do it, feel what I'm saying? But like I said, man, like the video if you fuck with this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to subscribe. We on the road to 1K. We on the road to 1K, yo, we'll be at 500 soon. We on the road to 1K. Hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you know when I drop, feel what I'm saying? And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. It's your boy DQ, I'm checking out. Gang.
I want it all on my car.